Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a question 9 power x equal to 27. We have to find the value of x. So let's start it. It is a very basic mathematical question. So you see here we have 9 and here we have 27. So write it in the shape of 3. 3 raised to the power. So we can write instead of 9 we can write 3 raised to the power 2, and instead of 27 we can write 3 raised to the power 3. So here write 3 square and put the bracket sign and then x. Now in place of 27 write 3 power 3. Okay, in this step we can multiply 2 with x, so you will get 2x. And from here you will get simple 3 power 3. So here comes the mathematics rule. Whenever bases are same, so power are also equals. Okay, so you can write 2x is equal to 3. Now divide both sides over 2. 2 will cancel each other, so the value of x will be x is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, if you can, if you want to verify, so let's verify it. 9 power x is equal to 27. So put the value of x 3 over 2. Now we can write 3 as 3 square. Okay, and 3 over 2 in its own place. Now multiply 2 with 3 over 2. 2 will 2 cancel each other. We will left with 3 power 3, which is equal to 27. So our answer is correct. I hope you have liked this video. If so, then hit the like button. Also subscribe my channel if you are new and share it with your friends. See you in next video. Bye bye.